making vegan banana bread breakfast cookies and they are so good. I promise you, you will be eating them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Your wife will love them, your kids will love them, your husband will love them, your neighbors will love them. And get this, only 4 ingredients from start to finish, 20 minutes. If you don't believe me, I dare you to try this recipe out for yourself. Before we get started, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more recipe videos from me, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to need is 4 ripe bananas, 2.5 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of shredded coconut sweetened, and lastly 1 cup of vegan chocolate chips. The brand that I'm using today is Enjoy Life. You don't necessarily need to buy vegan chocolate chips for this recipe. Any dark chocolate chips over 70% should be safe. So the first step in this recipe will be to mash up our bananas in a large bowl. So we're going to keep mashing our bananas until the large chunks have disappeared. It's completely fine to have little chunks still visible in your mixture. It actually gives a better texture to your cookies. To our banana mixture, we are going to add in our sweetened coconut. And then we are going to give these ingredients another good mix. Once the coconut and banana are fully incorporated, it's time to add in our rolled oats. And then again, we are going to mix these ingredients together. Once the oatmeal has been fully combined into the mixture, I'm just going to switch out my fork for a spatula because it's time to fold in our chocolate chips. While you're folding in your chocolate chips, you'll notice that the banana and oatmeal mixture should have a very firm and sticky texture. If your batter is too runny at this point, go ahead and add in more oatmeal until you get that sticky consistency. Once the chocolate chips have been folded in, it is time to scoop out our cookie dough. But just look at how beautiful this looks. So simple, so easy, only 4 ingredients, and they're so delicious. To ensure that I get uniform cookies, what I'm going to do is take a 1/4 cup measuring cup and press the batter into this cup, and that'll be the size of our cookies. Out of the measuring cup, your cookies should look something like this, and now we can place them on a baking tray. With this recipe, you should be able to make about 14 breakfast cookies. Quick note that when placing these cookies on your baking tray, don't worry about placing them a few inches apart from each other. The way they look now pre-bake is how they will look after baking. These cookies will not expand or stretch while in the oven. Look at how yummy these cookies look already. They are so jam-packed with chocolate, banana chunks, and coconut pieces. Oh, you already know these are going to smell divine out of the oven. So now we are going to pop these into the oven for 8 minutes, and we are going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Out of the oven, your cookies should have this beautiful golden brown color on the outside, and on the inside, they should be soft and gooey and chewy. I actually don't see a downside to making these cookies. A, they're super delicious. B, it'll take you 20 minutes or less to make. C, they're healthier than the average cookie. And D, again, they're super delicious. These cookies are so perfect for breakfast. You can pair it with a cup of tea or coffee and it is just perfection. Also, it's amazing for a snack. What I typically do is I pop these cookies into the microwave for about 10 seconds so that the chocolate gets all gooey and melty, and it's just heaven. This is the very first vegan recipe up on my YouTube channel, but shoot me a comment below if you'd like me to make more. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more recipe videos from me, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Also, check out some of my other videos where I make some super yummy stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Neighbors will love them. Your pets will love them. Don't feed them to your pets. I actually don't know if they're pet friendly.